Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of Cloud Connected WAN and how it's transforming businesses in the digital age. But first, let me ask you this. How many times have you heard the term digital transformation thrown around in the business world? It seems like every company is striving for it, but what does it actually mean? Well, it's all about adapting to the ever changing digital landscape and using technology to enhance your business operations. And that's where Cloud Connected WAN comes in. So, what exactly is Cloud Connected WAN? Simply put, it's a type of network that connects multiple locations and devices through the cloud. This eliminates the need for traditional hardware and allows for a more flexible and agile network. But how does this drive digital transformation? Let's take a look at a real-life example. Imagine you're the owner of a retail chain with multiple locations. With Cloud Connected WAN, you can easily connect all your stores, warehouses, and even your online platform through the cloud. This means seamless communication and data sharing across all locations, leading to better inventory management, more efficient processes, and ultimately, a better customer experience. But it's not just for retail businesses. Cloud Connected WAN is also beneficial for remote teams, allowing employees to access company resources and collaborate in real time, no matter their location. This promotes a more connected and productive workforce, which is crucial in today's digital landscape. So, for any business looking to drive digital transformation, Cloud Connected WAN is a must-have. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for your business? That's where Fastlane comes in. Our expert team can guide you through the selection process and provide comprehensive training to ensure your team is equipped to handle the new technology. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and tips. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today. Thank you for watching.